In this video, we're going to be covering Rockwell razor blades and razor accessories. There's 4 primary advantages of using double-edged safety razors to shave. First of all, they give you a closer shave. Second of all, they give you a shave without skin irritation. Third of all, because they're so inexpensive, they save you a ton of money. And finally, because they're all metal and they can be recycled, they can be put into this tin, so they're eco-friendly, they basically are zero waste products, and they really are great that way. In terms of the blades themselves, Rockwell basically retails them in 2 formats. The retail version is the Rockwell 20 pack, and that has 20 blades. Because a blade typically lasts, 5 to 10 days, they say right on the packaging that that's 100 days worth of shaving. And that's what you should be retailing for your customers. If you are a barber shop, or if you need to have individual packs available, Rockwell does have the 100 pack. And the 100 pack is literally just made up of 20 of these 5 packs. In fact, even in the 20 pack, you're getting 4 of these 5 packs. All the Rockwell razors are individually papered wrapped with a wax inner, so that's really great. So the items you need to carry in terms of Rockwell razors is either the retail pack of 20 blades, or if you're using them in service as a barber shop, you can get the 100 pack. Quick reminder, of course, you can easily snap these blades if you're using them in service, for neck cleanups, etc. The last item you need to carry in terms of these blades as an accessory is the Rockwell Blade Bank. This is an all-metal recyclable tin that when you're finished shaving, you basically can drop the razor in for easy recycling, really making it a complete zero waste package. The next accessory for safety razors that I want to cover are the stands. You really have 2 options as far as Rockwell stands. The first type is what's called the donut stand. It's basically a solid piece of metal that holds an individual razor inside, and that holds the 2C, 6C, 6S. It comes in all the different finishes matching those. Another option is the 3-piece stand, and this is great to help for an add-on sale because basically it's a universal stand that will work, and basically you can drop in your safety razor as well as your shave brush. The next set of accessories have to do with travel. So basically this is your travel dot bag, great way to be able to package up all of your shaving products for travel. The next is the Rockwell leather sheath. And if you are traveling with your razor, you don't want to be reaching into your bag to get a razor with a blade. So this leather sheath basically covers it and makes it nice and safe to store your razor. And then finally, there's the Rockwell travel set. Now, travel set's kind of cool because it basically has a Rockwell 2C, right, which you can see listed there, but it also has this travel brush. So check this thing out. What you do is you just twist off the base, you pop out the head, it's a synthetic Rockwell head, and basically you assemble the whole thing, boom, instant shave brush, okay? And then when you're done, you're finished, you basically take the thing apart, okay? And you drop this metal base part at the top of the tube, okay? You assemble it, you'll notice that at this end, there's even holes to be able to allow you to have drainage, and that's it. So it's a super cool item for travel. Last accessory to go with your Rockwell razors are the alum sticks. Anybody coming in to use a safety razor should have an alum stick. And these are just a natural element that will seal up any minor nick or cut, and they're also antibacterial. Watch our video about alum sticks, but these are in a matchstick format and come in a great retailing tub. To order these products or for more information, visit us at barbersupplies.com or in Canada, ca.barbersupplies.com.